Hey there! Today we're going to look at how you can send bulk emails with Omnisend. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Omnisend in your browser and log into your account. Over here, once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your email list is ready, or you can import your contacts if you haven't done that yet. Then take a moment to double check your contacts so you're sending emails to the right audience. After that, click on Campaigns from the main menu. Now, go ahead and click on Create Campaign and select Email as your campaign type. Over here, you'll be asked to choose the type of email, and usually a regular campaign works best for bulk emails. Then you can either pick a ready-made template or start from scratch if you want full control over the design. After that, start customizing your email by adding your text, images, buttons, and any links you want to include. Now, make sure your content looks clean and easy to read so your audience can understand your message clearly. Over here, you can also adjust spacing, colors, and layout to match your brand style. Then, once your design is ready, click on Next to move forward. After that, select the audience or contact list you want to send the email to. Now, this step is important, so make sure you're choosing the correct list or segment. Over here, you can also exclude certain contacts if needed. Then set your subject line and sender details carefully, because this is what people will see first. After that, try to make your subject line engaging so more people open your email. Now you can preview your email to see how it will look on different devices. Over here, you can also send a test email to yourself to check everything before sending. Then, once everything looks good, choose whether you want to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. After that, click on Send Now or confirm your schedule. Over here, your bulk email will start going out to your selected audience. Then you can track performance like opens and clicks from your dashboard. And yeah, that's pretty much it.